Imagine winning a battle not with guns, but with a corpse and a handful of forged letters. In 1943, Allied command had a problem. Hitler's forces dominated almost every inch of southern Europe, and if the Allies wanted to invade, they had to break the German line somewhere unexpected. Sicily seemed obvious, but that was the problem. Everyone knew it. So the British spies set out to trick the Nazis into thinking the Allies would strike somewhere else. Enter Operation Mincemeat, the most audacious deception of World War II. The plan? Take a dead body, dress him as a British officer, load his pockets with fake military secrets, and drop him off where the Germans would find him. The hope: Hitler would shift his defense away from the real invasion point. This wasn't just any corpse. The man, known as Major William Martin of the Royal Marines, didn't even exist. Agents sourced the body of Glyndwr Michael, a homeless Welshman who had died from rat poison. They gave him an identity, a fiancée, Pam, and even a love letter. The details were meticulous. In his briefcase, they placed forged documents suggesting the Allies would invade Greece and Sardinia, not Sicily. They attached bus tickets, a bill from a tailor, even an overdraft notice. Tiny touches for authenticity in case Nazi intelligence got suspicious. They released Major Martin off the coast of neutral Spain, where British intelligence knew Nazi spies operated freely. Spanish fishermen found the body. The briefcase moved up the chain, through Spanish officials to German operatives, finally to Hitler's own desk. Paranoia did the rest. Spanish fishermen found the body. The briefcase moved up the chain, through Spanish officials to German operatives, finally to Hitler's own desk. Paranoia did the rest. Convinced by the planted evidence, Hitler redirected divisions away from Sicily. German and Italian defenses across Greece, Sardinia, and even southern France grew, while Sicily was left exposed. On July 9, 1943, the Allies invaded Sicily. Resistance was lighter than expected. Thousands of Allied soldiers landed, facing defenses far weaker than the Nazis had planned. The deception had worked perfectly. Just think, one fake letter, carried by a dead man, helped change the course of the war. But Operation Mincemeat didn't just fool generals. Even today, it captures imaginations. British intelligence celebrated their invisible victory, but the world only learned what really happened decades later, when secret files were finally released. But Operation Mincemeat didn't just fool generals. Even today, it captures imaginations. British intelligence celebrated their invisible victory, but the world only learned what really happened decades later, when secret files were finally released. And the Germans? After the war, surviving Nazi intelligence officers confessed they had never suspected that the evidence was planted. One later admitted, "We swallowed mincemeat whole." It's a story that proves sometimes wars are won not just on the battlefield, but in the shadows, where the smallest detail, a forged letter, or the pocket of an invented man can reshape history. Operation Mincemeat reminds us, in the greatest conflict of all time, not everything is as it seems. So next time you hear about World War II strategies, remember the man who never was, and the secret war fought with imagination, nerve, and an unforgettable twist of fate. Curious about more deceptions, double crosses, and hidden heroes from the Second World War? You're just scratching the surface. Stay tuned. History has plenty more secrets to uncover.